This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about teapots, specifically this Forma Glass Teapot. It's a 17-ounce double wall design teapot that's 5¼ inches in diameter by 5 inches high. And you can see it features a lovely little handle for easy lifting and pouring, a great little spout, and a nice little glass lid to match. It has this fantastic double wall design that helps to keep your tea warm while the outside will remain cool to the touch, making it really easy to handle, especially when pouring and lifting. It's going to show off the color of your teas, and it's going to be especially great for those blossoming floral teas. It has a lovely little angled spout for precise pouring, and the lid has a really nice tight fit to it to help prevent spills. It's conveniently dishwasher safe for easy cleanup and perfect option for restaurants, cafes, bakeries, coffees and tea shops, or just a functional and beautiful option for tea in your own home.